In this video, we will learn about Event Viewer on Windows. Event Viewer is a component of Windows that lets administrators and users view the event logs on a local or remote machine. To open it, we can press the Window key or click the Start button and type Event Viewer. This is very useful if you want to look up the errors on your system. And now in Event Viewer, we have data of custom views, window logs, application and service logs on the left side. We can click on custom view and there you can see administrative events. And you can see over here warnings, errors, critical, and window logs contains application, security, setup, system logs, and now application and service logs. This contains even custom to certain applications that we have may install or service that are running such as Internet Explorer and others. To look up those logs, you can just click over here, for example, on application and then click over here. And over here in general, you can see the information about logs and you can copy also this one by clicking over here and selecting here, and these arrow buttons will move through between these event logs. You can go to the next logs by clicking over here, and you can use the event ID over here, such as this one, to search for the event in the event log or online for similar events or solution to that event. So you can just copy and paste it on Google and look for solution. Maybe you will find it. For example, if I go to over here on the error one, and this one is also important, the source, and this gives us information which window component, app, or driver has encountered the error, and above it is a description of the error, and you can see over here the error code. This is a hexadecimal number that you can search for online to provide information. It is also possible to connect to the event log of any PC that is accessible on your local or remote network. So this is a very useful tool. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.